Hello! Today, I wanted to show you a few things that I have. I am having a hard time throwing away all of the popsicle sticks, all of the paper and plastic cups. So I've really been looking into other products that, yes, I have more washing to do, but I'm not adding to the garbage pile. So all of these things that are in front of you on the canvas are silicone. These are stir sticks that are silicone. They come in a shorter length for smaller mixing needs. These are perfect to fit inside your cups. Perfect. Or inside your bottle. These are little spatulas that are silicone. They have a bendy end. See how that bends? So you can get inside your little bottles of paint and get every last drop. And that's what these are called, every last drop. Silicone spatulas. You can find them on Amazon. All of these products you can find on Amazon. Just put in silicone stir sticks, silicone spatula, mini silicone spatula, every last drop a silicone spatula. And look at the neat lengths they come in. I mean, how long is that? I mean, really. These little tiny silicone bowls for really small things that you need. A lot of folks that are doing some of these fluid art things only need a tiny bit. These are 100 ml, which are just like the really small cups that we use. I mean, they're the same, right? Now, these came today. I had a couple of them. See, I already have a couple. But these came after I had already mixed my color for today. So I've got a couple of paper cups. These are 8-ounce cups, or 1 cup. They come in 4 cup sizes too. I was debating whether to get one, but I already have a big 4-cup measuring cup that I'm using. See, and I've got one of my little spatulas in here to stir. Now, one thing I'm having trouble with is the big mat, the silicone mat that you put underneath. Those are quite the investment. I might have one someday, we'll just see. But in the meantime, let's get on with my project, shall we? This time, I'm going to try some office binder dividers. I've already cut them up in a couple of different sizes, and I'm going to see if I like them better than my copper baking sheets. See, what I'm doing here is I'm taking the very corner of my plastic and I'm just dipping it in the paint. See, just the very corner. And I'm just placing it wherever I want to, basically. And I'm just lightly dragging it through. And just pick up wherever I want to end it. And that's how I do that. Pretty simple stuff. Let's put another one in there. We're going to bring this one all the way up here.